Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have decided with the new year, as we are already in January, that I would do something new on my channel, and that it's going to be Mixed Media Mondays. And what that's going to entail is every Monday at a certain time, I'm going to come on live, and probably an hour, two maybe. I'm going to try to limit it to an hour, but if I go over, I'm open to it. And what it's going to entail is me doing mixed medias. And I could be using paper, I could be using tissue paper, I could be using paint, I could be using ink, I could be using metals, I could be using wood, I could be using chipboard. I don't know. I'm going to pull it out of the hat, not literally, because a lot of times when I do my mixed media, I do not plan it. I just let it flow out of me. And I thought I'm going to come and start doing that more often and sharing it with you, the different mediums I use. I get told all the time that my mixed media is really awesome, and I thought I'd want to share it with you. And I have a couple projects that I'm going to start doing. I have one already set up. That's a big one, so there might be where I do so much work on it one day and the following Monday do it again, and so forth until it's finished. And I want to share that all with you. So here we go. When am I going to start this? Starting January 18th at 2 o'clock Central Standard Time, 3 o'clock Eastern, 1 Mountain, and 12 noon Pacific Time. And it's going to be an open. We can chat, have fun. I always like the suggestions when I'm doing something. Some people are like, hey, Tina, try this. I'm always for that. I want to interact with you more and get some perspective and some ideas. And if you have an idea for me, you're like, hey, Tina, what about this? Can you try this? I will leave it open to you. You can leave the comments or leave a comment of an idea in the description box below. I am going to start a list of kind of like ideas that people gave me. Hey, maybe you tried this medium. Hey, have you ever tried this? Hey, you want to try this? And I'm going to do it. I want this to be fun and exciting, laid back, and just relax and have fun. So I hope to see you next Monday, January 18th, on Tina's Crafty Life for Mixed Media Mondays. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.